Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the GoPro HERO13 Black, a waterproof action camera that's packed with features and comes with an impressive accessory kit. If you're interested in checking out the latest price and availability, we've included a link in the description below. The GoPro HERO13 Black is a powerhouse in the realm of action cameras. This latest model offers stunning 5.3K video recording and 27MP photos, allowing you to capture every moment with incredible detail. Whether you're filming in ultra-high-definition 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, or even shooting at 2.7K for an impressive 8x slow-motion effect, the HERO13 guarantees cinematic quality. It features a robust 1/1.9-inch sensor, HDR capabilities, and advanced GP-Log color depth, making it a brilliant choice for both professionals and passionate enthusiasts looking for stunning visuals. One of the standout features of the HERO13 Black is its hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization technology, which ensures that your footage is smooth and steady, even in the most chaotic conditions. With the auto boost setting, this camera provides unmatched stability, and the 360 degrees horizon lock keeps your videos perfectly level, regardless of how much you tilt or rotate the camera. This is particularly beneficial for action sports or any dynamic shooting scenarios. You won't have to worry about cropping your footage or dealing with distortion, as the HERO13 optimizes framing automatically. Another impressive asset of this camera is its versatile recording options and extended battery life. You can easily switch between widescreen, vertical, and full-frame capture modes, depending on your shooting needs. Thanks to the 1900 mAh Enduro battery, you can record up to 1.5 hours of 5.3K video on a single charge. Plus, the HERO13 is waterproof up to 33 feet without any additional housing, making it perfect for those outdoor adventures, whether you're snorkeling, surfing, or just enjoying a day by the pool. Connectivity is also a strong suit of the HERO13 Black. The camera features Bluetooth audio connectivity, allowing you to connect wireless microphones or headphones for enhanced sound capture. With Wi-Fi 6 support, file transfers are quick and seamless, plus the GoPro Quick app simplifies the editing and uploading process. If you're looking to set up a multi-camera shoot, the timecode sync feature will help you keep everything in sync during post-production, ensuring professional quality results every time. So, who is the GoPro HERO13 Black suitable for? This camera is an excellent choice for adventure seekers, travelers, and sports enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes while hiking, documenting your surfing exploits, or even filming your family adventures at the beach, the HERO13 provides the robust performance and quality you need. It's also a great option for content creators looking to up their game, thanks to its high-resolution capabilities and advanced stabilization. In practical use cases, imagine scaling a mountain and needing to film the ascent. The HERO13 can comfortably withstand the elements while delivering top-notch footage. Or picture yourself at a concert, capturing the thrilling atmosphere with stunning quality. This camera can handle it all, providing you with versatility and ease of use. In the bundle, you'll find not only the GoPro HERO13 Black but also a comprehensive 50-piece accessory kit, 2 extra rechargeable batteries, and a 64GB microSD card to get you started right away. Plus, a microfiber cloth is included for keeping your lens clean. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.